G'day and welcome back to Camper Trailer with Mac Daddy and Tubby Tubster. Today I'm at the Cains Reserve, or as others may call it, the Laanecoorie River Reserve. This is basically a free camp on the banks of the Loddon River. The Laanecoorie Dam is just up about 1 kilometre, and there's a 2.5 kilometre stretch here where you can take your kayaks or punts and boats, because there's a little boat ramp just down the road there. Donations for cleaning would be appreciated, and the toilets here are cleaned by a local gentleman who gets a pittance for doing it. Yeah, look after the reserve, pick up after you, take your rubbish with you. There are fire pits here and tables. Like today's not a very good day because it's middle of winter and it's raining, but it is a nice spot, and I'll just take you down to the boat ramp. Well, that's another free camp for you, the Laanecoorie River Reserve, or Cains Reserve, just below the Laanecoorie Dam. It's a good spot to catch redfin, yellowbelly, Murray cod. Little spot there where you can launch your kayaks, your punts, your little tinnies, and have a good day's fishing. The canoe trail that's there goes up for about 2.5 kilometres, and there's quite a few other canoe trails further up the Loddon River. But I'll let you check that out. So until next time, goodbye, enjoy your camping, and remember, click like and subscribe, and wait for our next video. Thanks, and catch you later.